We're Brent and Amy Powell. He's a little under the weather today and thin. Yeah, he had his knee replaced, his right knee replaced Monday. He's doing great, and Logan's showing a picture right now of Brent post surgery. So we are the Powells, and we're realtors in Port Angeles and Sequim, and we go through the homes that have closed this previous week. And this week we have 14. Not an abundance, but interesting. And it helps you get an idea of where the prices are, where they're going, what you get for your money. We hope it helps you. The intro today was the art park up at the art place. I think it has a real name. Webster Woods, yeah. And it's a walking path through the woods with various and sundry qualities of sculptures. It can be interactive too. So that's what Logan's doing today. So we'll start out with the least expensive home in Port Angeles that closed. And Winnie's back there chasing chickens. Or is the chickens out? Okay, he's good. Logan's going to chase her. Maybe he'll get her inside. The first house was on West 3rd Street. Originally listed for $305. They lowered the asking price to $260, and it sold for $271. $34,000 less than the original asking. It had 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, was on the market for 135 days, built in 1919. It's over 100 years old, with 1,200 square feet on 0.11 of an acre and a mountain view. The second house in Port Angeles is on South Washington Street. Originally listed for $315, and that's what it's sold at. 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, and 4 days on the market. Built in 1954 with 1,179 square feet on 0.16, and that one does have a water view of some sort. House number 3 is on Dutch Drive. This is the area out. They all have. It's a newer construction area. Originally priced at $540, that's what it sold at. 3 bedroom, 2 bath, built in 2018 with 1,691 square feet on a quarter of an acre with a neighborhood view. House number 4 is on Rook Drive. That one's also pretty new. It originally listed for $575, and that's what it sold at. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, built in 2023, so brand new one, with 1,993 square feet, 0.16 of an acre, and mountain view. House number 5 is on Pierce Road. This is the final one for Port Angeles. That's Winnie playing with her frisbee right now. Listed for $825. It sold for $825. 3 bedroom, 3 bath, 0 days on the market. So that one went the same day it went on the market. Built in 2018 with 2,468 square feet on 5 acres with a territorial view. That closes out Port Angeles. Starting in Sequim in Parkwood on Marjorie Lane. That's a manufactured home where you lease the land. Originally listed for $175, they lowered it to $150, and it ended up selling for $134,500. $40,500 less than asking. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 100 days on the market, built in 1984, 1228 square feet, and a neighborhood view. The next one is also a manufactured home on North 7th in Sequim, listed for $250, and that's what it sold for. I may have shown that one. 2 bedroom, 2 baths, 1 day on the market, built in 1991, 1380 square feet with a mountain view. The third one in Sequim is on Hampton Court, listed for $319. It sold for $13,500 less at $305,500. 2 bedroom, 2 bath, 8 days on the market, built in 1990 with 1204 square feet, and that one is leased land also. Okay, moving on to house number, 4? On East Fir in Sequim. Originally listed for $495. It sold for $425. $70,000 less. 3 bedroom, goofy dog here, 2 bath, 15 days on the market, built in 1980, 1712 square feet on 0.21 of an acre with a mountain view. The next house is on Priest Road. That originally came in at $499. They lowered it to $465, and it sold for $445. $54,000 less. We forgot to tape the... Think of it as mood music. It was originally sold in 52 days, built in 1995, 1584 square feet on 1.12 of an acre with a mountain view. The next house is on Fairway Place. This is on a golf course. Originally listed for $600. They lowered the price to $549.9, and it sold for $530. $70,000 less. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 31 days on the market. Built in 1982, with 2321 square feet on a quarter of an acre. Okay, we're moving along. We got 3 more for Sequim. Lone Eagle is where this next one was located. Originally priced for let me suck that one back in. $639,950, and it sold for $619. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 92 days on the market. Built in 05. The square feet were 1960, kind of a bigger one, on 1.4 acres with a mountain view. So that one came out at $20,950, almost $21,000 less. The next house is on Strawberry Field. Not Strawberry Fields, lest one get confused. Originally listed for $685, it sold for $620, $65,000 less. 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 27 days on the market, built in 01, with 2287 square feet on 1.21 acres and a mountain view. And the final house in Sequim was on Thornton Drive. Originally listed for $675, it sold for $25,000 less at $650. 3 bedroom, 2.5 baths, 189 days on the market, built in 05, with 2175 square feet on 0.68 and a mountain view. So that wraps up the homes for Port Angeles and Sequim. I thought I'd give you some more info. In Port Angeles, the average list price was $503. The average sold price was $2,000 more at $505. and the average days on market was 27. She is annoying, isn't she? Um, in Sequim, this is interesting. The average list price was less because they had a couple cheap ones, 464, and they sold for 442 was the average sold price. And it took 57 days on the market on an average. I know it's hard to follow statistics, but there were also 6 parcels, lots that sold of land, just raw land, that were sold this week. So I wanted to we got a card, a get well card from Gail and Kelly about Brent's knee getting better, and it is, and we that was very sweet of you. Thank you. Um, and this is Easter Saturday, and we plan on we aren't going to be able to make it to church because of Brent's knee, and so and we're going to have our grandkids come over, and I've managed to get some eggs to fill with candy, so we'll do that part of it. Anyway, it's sure been good to see you, and I'm sure Brent will be in this chair next week. Yeah, we sure hope. I'm sure he will. Anyway, have a great Easter, and many blessings to you.